Hello my dear students, in this lecture we are going to see one numerical on circular fillet weld. The question is, a cylindrical component shown in figure is subjected to, here bending moment equation is given. Moment is equal to 10I plus 40K kilo Newton meter. Then the ratio of shear stress to the bending stress in the weld is. Now here look at the axes. This is the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Over here welding is done. Now welding is like this. Welding is done like this. Circular fillet weld of thickness T. Let us say the welding is done like this. The welding is having thickness T and this radius is R. Radius is R, right? And here diameter is known as diameter is 100. You can see here diameter is 100. Therefore radius will be 50. Radius is equal to 50 mm. The dimensions are in mm that you have to mention. Thickness is unknown, right? Thickness is unknown. Here the welding thickness is unknown. Now bending moment equation is given. Now bending moment equation is given as bending moment is equal to mxi plus myj plus mzk, because it is a vector quantity. Now therefore mx is a bending moment about x-axis, right, or moment about x-axis. I means I is a unit vector on x-axis. Therefore mx is bending moment on x-axis. Therefore about x-axis you can see, if I draw moment about x-axis like this moment is trying to rotate the beam. This moment about x-axis is trying to rotate the beam. Therefore this is acting as a torque. Therefore torque is equal to 10 kilonewton meter is given in the question, right? Now about y-axis there is no moment. About y-axis there is no moment. About x-axis it is a torque. About z-axis you can see this is z-axis. About the z-axis the beam is going to bend. If I apply moment about z-axis, the beam is going to bend like this, right? Beam is going to bend like this. Therefore the bending moment about z-axis is nothing but like this, and because of this beam is going to bend. Therefore this is bending moment. Therefore mz, which is nothing but mz, is nothing but bending moment, which is nothing but 40 kilonewton meter. That you must understand. Because of this torque there will be a torsional shear stress. Because of this bending moment there will be a bending stress. Now for this weld, I is nothing but, we have derived the formula for I, that is pi t r cube. This is a formula for this I, or area moment of inertia, and J is nothing but twice of I, which is nothing but J is equal to 2 pi t r cube. These formulas we have already derived. Now as per torque equation or as per torsion, the torsional shear stress is given by T by J is equal to tau by R. This is a torsional shear stress equation or torsion equation. Therefore torsional shear stress is equal to T by J into R, which is nothing but T is given 10, T by J is 2 pi T R cube into R. Therefore torsional shear stress is equal to, here 1 R will get cancelled, T by 2 pi T R square, right? This will be the torsional shear stress, T by 2 pi T R square. Again similarly we can use bending moment equation. What is bending moment equation? M by I is equal to sigma B by Y. Therefore bending stress sigma B is equal to M by I into Y, right? Now for this circular cross section, Y is radius. Therefore this sigma B is equal to, we can say, M divided by I is pi T R cube. I is pi T R cube into Y is R. Therefore 1 R will get cancelled. Therefore this bending stress will become M by pi T R square, right? And the question is to find the ratio of shear stress to bending stress. Question is to find the ratio of shear stress to bending stress. Now here we have derived shear stress formula. Here we have derived bending stress formula. So consider the ratio. Let us take the ratio. right? Therefore, as per question, the ratio of shear stress to the bending stress sigma b is equal to shear stress is torque divided by 2 pi t r square, and bending stress is bending moment divided by pi t r square. Now here pi t r square will get cancelled, 2 will go down. Therefore, tau divided by sigma b will become t divided by 2m, right? It will become t divided by 2m. Therefore, put the values. Torque is given 10, 2 into bending moment is given 40. Therefore, shear stress divided by bending stress, this equation you will get 1 upon 8, which is nothing but 0.125. Therefore, in fill in the blanks, you have to type 0.125. Thank you, dear students. In next lecture, we will start new topic.